Hello, this is Dawn again, and I am going to set up a Podbean account for hosting podcasts, and hopefully via an alternative email. I'm going to hit Get Started. I'm going to put in an email. I've already set up an account, so I'm hoping it'll let me set one up under another email. Okay, I've put in an old email I have and a password. Put in a name for my website, just Busting Clays 10, telling it I'm not a robot, and hopefully creating an account. The next thing I hit is Follow and Get Started, and then Settings. For channel title, I've just put in Busting Clays 10. For the logo, I'm going to add something from my computer. For the category, I'm going to pick Sports and Recreation Outdoors. And for here, I'm going to put tag words like target, shooting, clays, skeet, trap. Okay, so now I have successfully created my little podcast portfolio. And if I go to Publish, I can click New Episode, choose a file to upload. Okay, the website made me confirm who I was. Okay, from the screen you just saw, I clicked up here to My Podcast, which brought this screen. Hit Publish, New Episode. I don't have anything right now to load, so I'll just load this picture instead. Give it a name. First podcast. Here you would normally put a description, but I'll just put first podcast. From here down, scroll and hit Publish. And you can see that it appears as first podcast on my list. Okay, I would see BeanPod as a creating for Bloom's hierarchy. And this would be assuming that the students created the podcast which they were uploading. If not, if someone's just viewing a podcast that was hosted on Podbean, then it would depend on what they were viewing and what the application was, and it could fall under any of the other categories. So, for example, if it was a podcast on just alphabet skills, that might be remembering or understanding. Thank you. Okay, one more thing. I forgot to go back and view the site. This is what a very simple site would look like. This theme is part of their free themes. I was able to add these graphics. I would do something different for each of the podcasts. And this was the first podcast that I, in air quotes, created. Thank you.